is ready for 2027 to challenge the North, who are threatening that he will never come back to Asura because of his maybe failure of his policies, hardship and insecurity. What's your reaction to that? Are you a Yoruba man?
My brother, it is not by tribe. It is not North that go against Tinubu. It is a greedy northerner. The greedy northerner want to bring the power out of Tinubu.
But they brought Tinubu now.
All means.
They said they don't want
They are not the one that brought Tinubu.
Who told you?
It is the living God that brought Tinubu. Okay. Atiku cannot bring anybody to power. It's a very greedy president, vice president we have. He loves money more than Nigeria. He cannot help anybody. He rather help himself. It is Atiku that go against Tinubu in the whole North. No, nobody else. Everybody and other, they are Tinubu's friend. This is political game. They are in the print of Ludo. They are playing game. Those are Tinubu boys.
Okay, Atiku is also a Tinubu boy.
No. Atiku is a very greedy man. Atiku I can see Atiku. I cannot say Atiku is Nigeria. It's acting as if it's Cameroon. Look at the rumor I hear that Obasanjo said that Atiku lobby him out of giving Bakassi to another country. Trying to
but why do Obasanjo allow Atiku to deceive him to hand over Bakassi to another country?
Obasanjo is not a Jesus. It's only Jesus know who is deceiving him. Obasanjo is not God.
But why is he complaining now about Atiku?
That is when he gets truth about the way the Atiku perform and the way he dribble him. He later know. That is why. Tinubu is a very good president. To me, I did not say Tinubu to anybody. You may not vote for him. But by the time another person will log in, you will know the difference between Tinubu and that person. Tinubu is a very great and very nice president. There's nothing Nigeria can do. He's going to win 2027. And Nigeria will be okay. Now, the dollar and naira now, they cannot pull each other. They stay in one place. It doesn't gallop again. Everything will be okay in the nation if we can and work hard towards the policy of Tinubu. Tinubu is a good president. I rate Tinubu as #1 president that Nigeria have ever had because he has the knowledge. He's not a managing somebody. He's somebody that God have created. He created with wisdom. I know he has power enough to defeat anybody that comes after him. He's a very powerful somebody.
So Tinubu will defeat the North and defeat.
Don't mention North. When you are saying North, we are talking about tribal. Who are the North? Who are the North?
Everybody say he must go. He is evil.
Everybody is one. Everybody is not more than me.
No, everybody say they brought everybody and he must go.
Everybody is one. It is not everybody that brought Tinubu. It is when everybody did not see the cake to eat in the way he liked. That is why he's going against Tinubu. Everybody is one in the North. You cannot dictate for anybody. Nobody can dictate for anybody. After all, some of Yoruba, they are voting for Obi. Tinubu did not dictate that they should not vote for Obi. But I know.
But Tinubu's men are saying that nobody should vote to Obi anywhere. Obi is not.
Those are minority. When somebody talk in television or in a press way, he's talking about his mind. Like me now, I'm talking about my mind. I can't change you. I can't change many people. I cannot change people that wanted to vote for Atiku or Obi. But I know wherever they gang, anywhere they gang against Tinubu, they will fail. I've been seeing their failure now. I've been seeing their failure. And if any party is not strong before December this year, that party cannot strong again because we have less than almost 18 months to go to election. 18 months to election, my brother. They can't gather themselves. They can't do a meeting that they will not throw stone. My brother, Tinubu has won the election. He have won the election already. Because they can't go after him. They can't win him in all that. They can't gather. Let them have peace of their home first. Before they talk about winning Tinubu. Let them gather. If Obi will be Tinubu supporter in another 6 months. He will allow Tinubu tenure to go now. He will now stand where Yoruba will think of tomorrow that it will be done.
How would is Tinubu going to spend only 4 years?
Tinubu will spend 8 years to complete.
Then why would you say it's a bit stalled?
See, my brother, in another party, he may not be shifting of power in another when Tinubu finish. Oh. We may not need president in the nation. Oh. My brother.
Okay,
everybody will govern themselves.
Oh, that's why
Prime Minister will be, my brother. You know Tinubu now. You know this man. He will not allow that place to get bad again. The situation of Nigeria to come to zero as he met it. But my brother, regional ruling.
Are you sure?
Regional ruling is coming.
No, is that what Erufai said?
Prophet.
Is that why Erufai said Nigeria will break up?
That is why they are talking about break up. Nigeria will never break up. But you will find food for your children. I will find food for my children. What is in the east? Leave it for them. What is in the north? Leave it for them. What is the west? Leave it for them. Let everybody govern these children.
But that's what Ojukwu said before now.
My brother.
How come people are turning back
my
now?
Brother,
Saying, let us go back to what Ojukwu has been saying.
It is Igbo that bring us back to federalism.
Are you sure?
An Igbo man.
Are you sure?
Awolowo was feeding his children. When somebody get power in the east and said everything to the center. My brother, they are among mention name. Is from the east.
Okay.
Regional ruling is going on, but when immediately he hijack power, he destroy regional. Who unites Nigeria? It is sister now. It is you people that join Nigeria together. My brother, so, Tinubu is a child of Awolowo. Okay. Tinubu is a junior brother to MKO. Okay. You know what he's doing.
Okay. Easterners amalgamate Nigeria.
You see, we can only amalgamate ourselves. My brother, if I allow you in my house, you will enjoy.
So why are you now saying that Easterners have brought Nigeria together since we cannot, we can only resist or amalgamate ourselves?
Yes, you know.
So has the Yoruba amalgamated themselves?
Yes. Normally, Yoruba have been borrowing federal money. It's paying federal money during when Awolowo was ruling with Cocoa. But immediately the Easterners get power, they destroy the regional. That is the problem.
Who is the person that destroyed?
I will not mention.
But
you know.
But I can tell you that you know what you are saying might not be correct. Yes.
Go and search for this.
Yes.
People that is listening to us now, they know I'm talking.
No. Go on. Brought the division by creating 12 states. Listen, by creating 12 states.
No.
Then
it is not states
the
by
structure.
Before Gowon, who is?
Okay.
Before Gowon, who is?
Okay.
It is when the regional ruling collapse, states come. Regional before, after when the regional crash, then they are talking about states.
What crashed the regional government?
Igbo man. How? He took power for just 6 months. He draw away regional ruling.
So you are not aware that for you to return Nigeria to regionalism, and like you claim, it requires the constitution. To do that, did Agui tamper with Nigerian constitution?
You are talking sense now.
No, I'm asking you.
You are talking sense now.
Who tampered with the constitution?
If anybody
did Agui tamper with the constitution?
Let them come out and comment.
I'm asking you now. Did Agui tamper with the Nigerian constitution at that time?
It's not by constitution.
Okay, let us leave that side. Let us leave that side. No. Let us leave that side. Since you don't have a direct question to that, the answer to that. But as it stands now, how would you describe the
Yoruba doesn't have issue
They
with
say
it.
Tinubu was gold.
No.
2027.
Where are they?
Are you not hearing them saying it?
It's lying. It's lying.
How is it lie?
It is not Fulani.
They made Tinubu government president.
Did you know
They said they don't want him
Did you know
again.
the first president is a Fulani?
Who?
Shetima.
Chetima is being will be thrown out any
wait,
moment from now.
Has he resigned?
Tinubu is throwing Chetima out to bring in Dogara any moment from
My
now.
brother, that is it may be their plan. There's nothing Tinubu will do now that Shetima will not understand. For them to win election, they can dribble anybody to win the election. That is it.
So Tinubu is dribbling Nigeria.
Tinubu has to dribble his enemy.
Is he dribbling?
To enter.
Is dribbling
before
us?
You can see Tinubu is falling all the time. Before they say he's falling, they say Tinubu cannot stand his own. Tinubu can play football now. Tinubu can play football now. Is anybody talking about his head again? Tinubu, the man have wisdom. You know his enemy will clap when he's falling. And when he enter, now the man is strong.
Okay, Tinubu is strong now.
Tinubu supposed to give. And we apply Tinubu to give us University of Politics.
University of Politics
in Nigeria.
Okay, wow.
He has to be the owner.
Okay.
The owner of the University of Politics.
Okay.
The man wise.
Okay. So, as a certain president, how would you rate Tinubu and Buhari's government?
Tinubu and Buhari president, it's only a wise man that can rate them. I rate now that the situation of the nation now, we are not more paying subsidy again. Everybody is fetching for his food. But before they said they are giving us food. It's a lie. It's a scam. They are using dollar to buy our money all the time so that we will say Nigeria is okay. But Tinubu opened the curtain. See how Nigeria be. And show us how Nigeria be. We are in struggle for it now.
Okay.
We are building our nation now.
Okay.
Nigeria will strong again.
Okay, we are building Nigeria.
Yes. All of us, everybody should bring his hand so that to build Nigeria now.
But if you are talking about, you are not standing one place. You
I
said
stand one
about
place.
Restructuring, confederation. You are talking about one Nigeria now.
That is it.
Okay.
Even though when there's a regional, are we killing ourselves? You see, but not to use live in the West. It's West we run for the East. When we are talking about regional ruling, it's not that we scatter ourselves. It's a way of controlling your side. Let me control my side for my children to be okay in future. Then we both come to the same table and pay our security that we gather us to save us together.
Okay, that's what Tinubu wants to achieve.
That is what I want him to do.
That is what you want him to do.
Yes.
Do you think he will do that?
He will do it.
How?
I'm a prophet. I am praying for him to have the knowledge of doing such a thing because of tomorrow. When a greedy president come again, he may send Nigeria to anybody.
But if Tinubu fails to achieve that, or what
Tinubu, you know, in the life of Tinubu, if you trace Tinubu, you may not understand Tinubu. Tinubu is a achiever. He has never lost anything in his life. Election, losing to be a billionaire, he doesn't lose. Losing to have a good wife in his life, he doesn't lose. Losing to have a good children, you can see Sheyi now. Sheyi is bouncing. God are blessing this man. God have blessed this man in all aspects. He never failed in life. Tinubu will never fail anything. Okay. He have telling them now that he will win 2027 by his mouth.
By his might.
He will win.
Okay, by his might.
By his mouth.
But okay,
told us that he has to win the 2027, and we are ready to vote for him mercilessly.
And you think that Nigerians will not go against him?
Nigeria will never go against him.
Why do you think
Even though when Nigeria go against him, he win them. Many protests, the man, he swallow it.
So are you saying that Obi should go and sit down?
Obi have to go to Tinubu and they should continue to whine together to build the nation.
But you saw what happened. That Tinubu is tribalistic.
No, it's not tribalistic.
Are you not seeing the Controller General of Customs that he sustained for
May you not allow your enemy to be in your camp.
Okay, the Igbos are the enemy of Yorubas now.
It is those who I trust that can enter my parlor. Tinubu hold the parlor of the nation now. Anybody that he trusts, he will allow in.
Okay,
even Jesus doesn't bring enemy.
Okay, he's the president of Yoruba now.
He's the president of the nation. He's the president of the nation, but he's a Yoruba man, and God bless him.
So, and he feel that he has to empower the Yorubas.
See, it is not only Yoruba. It's Yoruba, the vice president of the nation. Many places that Igbo hold in his power. Many places in Northern, my brother. You don't say he will bring his enemy to guide him. You can't bring your enemy to your camp, my brother. When you get to power, you will remember your brother more than me.
They have ambushed him already, and they say he's a one-time president.
They say, well, let them wait for that time.
If Tinubu resists, Trump will remove him.
Who is Trump? Trump, see, this is the way we have been worrying ourselves. The other time they said if MKO die, America will bomb Nigeria. America doesn't know Nigeria.
America doesn't know Nigeria.
They didn't know Nigeria. They don't know Nigeria. Awolowo say if he lose election, Russia will fight for him.
But Awolowo did not believe in Nigeria.
Awolowo doesn't win the election.
Awolowo does not believe in Nigeria.
Awolowo believes in Nigeria.
But he said a mere expression.
That is it. In anger time, somebody can bring such a thing. Awolowo have tried for this nation.
What did he achieve?
One of the Awolowo. Maybe you know him now.
Was he a president?
Some of you doesn't know the man.
No, was he a president?
He's not a prime minister.
Okay, was he a prime minister of Nigeria?
That is where the power reached there.
Okay, that's where the power
in a regional ruling.
He didn't go at that national level.
The man have cried a lot. Yoruba, we will never forget that man.
Agree.
Free education. That is why we are leading the nation in education.
Okay.
We are leading. We don't work hard before we get our money.
Is Tinubu educated?
Well.
Why is he struggling with the economy of Nigeria?
Let Tinubu speak in your face. Then you know that there's nobody that are educated like him.